Hello Year 3 and welcome to your maths video for today. It is Tuesday the 2nd of March with the short date 02.03.2021, and today what we're going to do, we are going to subtract numbers with up to 3 digits using column subtraction. Now what we did yesterday, we did column addition, so basically we're doing the opposite today. Okay, so I've got a few on the board here that I'm going to run through with you. And then you can go onto the class page and you can work out all the different questions, very similar to what you did yesterday. So let's have a look. So it says here, the first one is 67 subtract 24. Now yesterday we always started on the right hand side looking at the ones, and we're going to do the exact same again today. So let Miss Dunn get a pen. So what we're going to look at, first of all, we're going to add the column headings. So here we've got the tens, here we've got the ones, and we're going to look at the ones first. So 7 subtract 4. 7 subtract 4, so get 7 fingers, and I'm going to subtract 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. My answer is 3. So I'll pop my 3 there. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to look at my tens column. So I've got 6 subtract 2. Now we know it's not 6 and it's not 2. It's 6 tens or 60 subtract 2 tens or 20. So 6 tens on my fingers and I'm subtracting 20. So 60, 50, 40. And I'm going to put my 4 there under the tens column. There we go. So I've worked out the answer there now. It is 43. 67 subtract 24 is 43. Let's have a look at this one there. Now this one is going up into the hundreds now, so it gets a little bit more difficult because we've got more numbers to juggle about. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the column subheadings. So I've got my hundreds there because I know it's a 3-digit number. So my hundreds, my tens, and my ones. There we go. Now, as always, start on the right-hand side looking at the ones column. So the ones column here, let's look down. 8 subtract 6. So 8 fingers, and I'm going to count, take away 6. Okay, so 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many's left, year 3? I've got 2 left, haven't I? So let's pop that on there. Oh, that's a posh 2, isn't it? Now, let's look at the tens column, sorry. So we've got 4 subtract 3. Now we know it's not 4, we know it's 4 tens or 40, and I'm subtracting 3 tens or 30. So I've got my 4 tens here, knowing that I'm counting in tens on each, and I'm going to subtract 30. So 10, 20, 30. How many tens are left, year 3? I've just got one little 10 left, haven't I? So let's add it there. Right, and now I've got 100 because it's 1 and it's in the hundreds column. Subtract, and there's no hundreds in this one. So what I'm going to do, 100 subtract 0. It's 100, isn't it? So my answer for that one, oh, that's a wrinkly one, isn't it? My answer for that one is 112. Let's have a look at the last question. There we go. Now we've got a really big juicy number, haven't we? We've got 587 subtract 154. Now I'm challenging you on this one because it's not 3 digits in your hundreds. Subtract a 2-digit number, which is numbers in your tens. This is a 3-digit by a 3-digit. Now you might have some of these in your questions, you might not. It depends what group you're working in. But this is a way to work it out. So as always, add those column subheadings there just to remind us. There we go. Next, and as always, we start on the right hand side looking at the ones column, don't we? So 7 subtract 4. 7 subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. My answer is 3. So I'm going to put my 3 there. Right, let's look at the 10. So we've got 80 subtract 50. So 80 subtract 50. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. What's my answer? If we're counting in 10, so we've got 10, 20, 30. Oh, all the 3s so far. I wonder if the next one's going to be a 3. So let's look at the hundreds now. Now I've got 500 here, and this number actually has a 100 on the bottom one, doesn't it? So 500 subtract 100. So using our fingers to support us, you might be able to do it in your head. That's absolutely fine. Fine, sorry. 500 subtract 100. So I'm going to take 100 away. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to count in my hundreds using my fingers. So 100, 200, 300, 400. So it would be 433. So there are some different ways on the board to work out all these different calculations. Now, once you've done your work for today, please take a photo and send it to me on Class Dojo, my son's famous catchphrase right now. Okay, good luck. Any problems, please just send me a message on Class Dojo and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you soon, superstars. Bye-bye.